how to unsync contacts on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to unsync contacts on TikTok but don't know how? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the profile tab available at the bottom. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. Under the Account section, tap on the option for Privacy. Now, toggle off the feature for sync contacts. Once turned off, TikTok won't sync your contacts anymore. However, TikTok has already synced and saved your contacts on their server while the feature was turned on. To completely remove them, tap on Remove Previously Synced Contacts. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure. Finally, tap on the Remove option, and there you have it. You have successfully unsynced contacts on TikTok. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.